Hello, my friend. Good to see you again. I hope you are having fun with your Galaxy Watch 4 and Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Well, I have two updates for you today. It concerns both watches, the regular version as well as the Classic. One update is really kind of fixing certain issues that needed fixing, right? That's what an update is for. But update number 2 is more like the fun update we have been waiting for, and it gives us something to play around with. Well, no, not what you think, naughty. It gives us something to play with your Galaxy Watch 4 and or Classic. Update number 1 is for your Galaxy Watch 4 regular version. If you had trouble with your digital bezel, or you may be still deciding, and you are like me, you're kind of 50-50, you're deciding which watch you should really go for, because you do like that physical bezel, but you do like the slim factor of the regular version. Well, not to worry. This update fixes any issues you may have had with your digital bezel for your watch, and some people have mentioned it. I've seen some reports that it gets stuck sometimes, or it is not as responsive as it should be. What I do know, however, is that this version, the Galaxy Watch 4, this new version, is way better than the Galaxy Watch Active 2. I have used this in the past, and the digital bezel here is way more responsive. So if you're planning to use this, make sure you do this update, especially if you're planning to use it like as a remote control for any PowerPoint presentation. Yes, that is also possible, because you can skip to the next slide by using your touch control on a digital bezel. Next update is not so much for the watch itself, but for the wearable app. And you may say, well, so what? Well, look at this. We have a whole bunch of new watch faces available now for you to choose from. And there are some good ones in here. I'm going to show you them right now. Like this one here, it is called Go. And one of the perks of this watch face is that you can choose which application you want to access via the complications. And now I understand this also doesn't sound like a groundbreaking new feature, but previous watch faces for the Galaxy Watch 4 did not have all the applications available for the shortcut. And this watch face here will give you access to way more applications than before. And for example, I use this shortcut here for Google Maps, and I touch it and it works. It comes up. Voila. And then you obviously have a battery indicator on the right hand side, which you can go into. It gets you straight into the battery settings by tapping on it. And above there is the world time. I have it set to NYC. That's just the way I roll. And next one is more like a health featured watch face, and it's called Move. Yes, you guessed it. It will show you how much you move, or maybe not. Like me, it will close your ring, or maybe will not close your ring. And I tried to really move fast in order to get a ring closing, but it didn't work. I guess I have to move for a longer time than just for a couple of seconds. And again, complications can be set individually by tapping on the field. It's really bizarre because it's dark, you don't see anything, so you have to tap on it, and then you will basically get into the settings or the individual complications you want to have. And there's one interesting part here. None of these new watch faces are actually customizable via the wearable app, only on your watch. So keep this in mind. It's only customizable on your watch, not in the wearable app itself. We then have what is called Outlook, which will display all of your appointments for this particular day, but also notifications. I have this one here. Let me just show you this. I have a notification from earlier. Hopefully you can see this there. And it will show you that particular notification as well. Voila. And I think this one really has some sort of a clean look. As a matter of fact, all of these new watch faces have a tidied up, clean look with the possibility of giving you a lot of information if you wish to do so. Which really leads me to the next watch face, which is called Chill. Now, this watch face is supposed to chill you out, and you guys can let me know. You can use it and let me know if it is working for you and how chilled you really are when you're using this particular watch face. You will also find a couple of other watch faces like Play and Do, and feel free to explore all of them. Share your thoughts and your favorite watch faces down in the comment section below. Let me know how it all works out for you. One thing, it really shows me here with the updates and all the new watch faces that Samsung is actively working in the background in order to get all of this going. And there's also a new application available. It's called HandWatch, and any Apple user on the Apple Watch has this for a long time. But I mean, there is movement, and that's what is encouraging to me. As you guys know, I'm really insecure, and if you subscribe, like, or leave me a comment, it really helps me overcoming my insecurity. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Peace out.